How to find hotspot password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find hotspot password on Android phone. First, then open settings, and then just you need to find here this one, mobile network, and here you will find the personal hotspot. Click on it, and as you see here you will find your hotspot password, and you can change it if you want. Just type here any password you want and then just click OK, and it will be saved. And that's how to find the hotspot password on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.